So good morning all. The previous day we studied just start about the computer network. So we studied that what you mean by computer network and what is the advantage of computer network and the disadvantage. So here hope you all are understanding the previous video. Then today we are going to study the components of a computer network. So what are the different components of a computer network? So they are listed here. The first one is called a host or node. Host or node. Second one is called a servers, then client, network hardwares, communication channel, software, and the network services. So these are the main components of a computer network. So if the question is like what are the different components of a computer network, so you need to explain these all: host bar nodes, servers, client, network hardwares, communication channel, software, and the network services. So we can study one by one. So the first one, host or node. So the term host or node refers to the computer that are attached to a network and are seeking to share the resources of a network. Of course, if there were no nodes in a network, there would be no network at all. So which means that if there is no node, there is no network. So this is the main feature of the host or node. So host means any computer, so any computer or any devices that are attached to a network and used for sharing the resources of network. So this is called a host or node. Then the next line it is clearly written that if there is no node, so then there is no network. So that is in that bracket it is written as workstations. What do you mean by workstation? Workstation is nothing but a computer become a workstation of a network as soon as it is attached to a network. So if the computer we attach it to a network, then it acts as a workstation. So by before it is maybe a standalone system, when it is attached to a network, then at that time onwards it is called a workstation. So this is called a workstation. So host or node nothing but is any devices or any computer that is attached to a network and seeking to share the resources of a network. So this is the main concept of host and node. So second one is called server. So what do you mean by server? So server is a very important computer in a network. A server is responsible for making the networking task happens. So in other words, server facilitates networking tasks like sharing of data, resource sharing, communication among hosts, etc. So here server means, so in a network there is a server and client concepts are there. So client server concept. So client are those systems they are asking or they are making the request to the servers. So server is another system that facilitates networking tasks like a sharing of data, resource sharing, communication among hosts. So this is the main duties of server. So server is a computer that facilitates the sharing of data, software and hardware resources. Example printers, modem, etc. On the network is termed as a server. So right side one small box is there. There is a correct definition of server is given. So here. So next paragraph, look at that. On the small network, sometimes all the shareable stuff like files, data, software is stored on a server. So here for a small network, all the data and all the shareable stuff. So anything we want to share, that is stored on the server. So then each server has a unique name on the network and all the users of network identify the server by its unique name. So which means that on a small network, all the shareable stuff like files, data, software, so that we want to share, that is first kept inside that server. Then the server containing a unique name. So by using this unique name, all other nodes or all other users in that network can easily identify the server and we can make the request to that server. So this is only small network. So on the big network, so there are be servers dedicated to a specialized task. So there are too many servers are there, like a file server. So it is only dedicated for handling file related request. Printer server, it is only handled for printing request. So this is only for big network. So for small network, all the shareable stuff we can store inside that server. On the big network, so there are different servers are there for a specialized task like a file server, printer server. So this is called a server. So though we completed host and nodes, then the server. So next component means client. So here I already told that in a network, so some computers are client and some are server. So client is a related term. A client computer is a host computer that request for some services from a server. So means normal computer only they are requesting that services from the server. So in other words, the server computer serves the request of the client computer. So it is work as a client server manner. So client make the request and the server satisfies the request. So this is called a clients. So then next one network hardware. So there are too many hardwares are there. So your best example of network hardwares are like network interface NIC card. NIC card is there, hub, switch, router. So this is called networking devices. So here in other hosts are writing the network requires special hardware to carry out the various roles such as establishing connections, controlling network, traffics. So there are mainly different types of hardware that are required in a network. Some examples are like this NIC card. So NIC means network interface unit. It is also called NIC network interface card. So it is a network card attached to a host so that it establishes a network connections. So it is so it's a card only. It is a network interface card. So through that card there is a port is there. Through that port only we connect that our network cables. So it ensures that it establish the connection. That is called a network interface unit. Next hub, switch, router. These are called connectivity devices. So the coming sections we study the detail what you mean by hub, switch, router. So next communication channels. Next called communication channel. So channel means the way the networks are connected. So there are mainly two types of channels are there: wired connections and wireless connection. So wired means that is also called a guided media. GUIDED, guided media. So like cables. So here in common wired connections are there like a twisted pair cable, coaxial cable and a fiber optics cable. Twisted pair, coaxial cable and a fiber optics cable. These are the common wired communication or guided media. So then wireless means unguided media. Wireless communication means unguided media. So here all the devices are connected by means of wireless like a radio wave, satellite, etc. So microwave, radio wave, satellite, infrared wave, laser, etc. are the different types of unguided media. So this is commonly called a communication channel. So communication channel host in a network interact with other hosts by through communication channel or communication medium. So communication channel or medium can maybe classified into two types: wired and wireless. Wired means nothing but a guided media like a twisted pair, coaxial cable and fiber optics. Wireless means unguided media like a radio wave, satellite, infrared and laser. So in addition to all other devices, we need some software in order to perform that networking device, in order to perform networking. So the software layers of a network make networking possible. These comprise of network protocol, network operating system, etc. So software means it contains too many protocols and a network operating system, etc. So protocol. So next important topic is protocol. Protocol we already studied that protocol means set of rules. So set of rules only it is a pre-defined rules used to all the parties of a network to connect to one system to another system. So it is a set of rules. So we need to follow that rules in order to take some data from one computer to another computer. There are too many protocols are there. In the coming section we study different types of protocols. Then there are too many networking services are there like a domain name system, file sharing, voice over IP. VoIP means voice over IP. So these are the important networking services. So the coming session we study that what you mean by domain name system, file sharing, VoIP, etc. So these are the main components of a network. So here components of network. So here you need to make the notes on that, what are the different components of a computer network. Then today's question is that what is the difference between client and server? What is the difference between client and server? So then make this note and write this answer to the fair notebook and send that notebook picture via WhatsApp personally. So hope you understand this much. So every day you need to study. So this is simple chapter only, so you get more mark from this chapter. So you are completely like what you mean by network, advantage of network, disadvantage, then today components of the network.